I was always told to use protection growing up. And unfortunately, that is not something I have done on my GLI. I hope that didn't come off the wrong way, but this video is about basically floor liners. For those of y'all who have been following along on the page, you'll obviously know that we've been building my GLI for like the last couple of years now. And unfortunately, it is also my daily driver. And a lot of things like my cargo liner and my floor mats have pretty much been ruined just with daily use. Even though I already have the monster mats that came factory with my car, they don't fully cover all of the carpet either. So the carpet tends to get pretty dirty in between vacuums and blowouts and stuff like that. But thankfully today we are going to be fixing that because SmartLiner was kind enough to send us out a set of 3D scanned and custom molded floor mats for my GLI, including a trunk liner, which is right here. And I am pretty excited because I've always wanted like a rubber mat system in my car for protection. I'm teetering the line of being canceled right now, which I think I am most excited for because unfortunately this car also doubles as my marketplace hauler and it gets dirty all the time in the trunk. And this is a perfect fit, so it should cover all of the carpet on the floor and it has a lifetime warranty in case it ever gets damaged. Super duper difficult one-handed install, oh my gosh. All right, pop it in and just about good to go. Yeah, that's the most difficult install we've ever done on this channel. Unfortunately, it is still a little bit warped just because I just took it out of the box, but it is literally a perfect fit because it was 3D scanned to this car. And they also make it for a ton of cars, so they probably got some for yours too, especially my Volkswagen friends. But the most important thing is that there's no more oil stains that will be happening on my trunk because this is very easy to clean, obviously because it's rubber, right? Next up, we got, oh boy. So these are the fronts, it looks like. So this one is going to be the driver's side, I think, probably. Yeah, okay, this is a lot better. And same thing goes here for the passenger one. So let's throw them in the car. Super duper difficult install here. Right, take that guy out. Oh my God, that thing is so crusty. I know I should vacuum underneath, but I'm kind of lazy, so this is my solution, basically. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I really like the way that kind of angles up around the edges. Now we got to do the other side. All right, let's plop the old one out and put the new one in. Now, I noticed this one doesn't go up quite as high, but honestly, like I don't really put my feet up here ever, so that's totally fine. I do like that it kind of covers around the edges though a lot more. Now, I did forget to start recording, but I did just pull out the rear part here out of the box. And so this piece actually has the middle protection, which is nice because I often have 3 people in my back seat and I'll be able to kind of just protect that carpet a little bit better. And of course, it also has the same raised lip around the outside. All right, the rears are installed, and as you can see, I already pushed back my seat, but it does cover this middle section, which is really, really nice because that part gets chronically dirty. And this isn't a crazy mod or anything, but it is nice just having new floor mats that actually like fit properly. And I did notice too, I like these like textured grips because it doesn't feel like my feet sliding around as much. My buddy has a set too from a different company, and they're very, very slick. And I notice whenever like I'm sitting in the passenger seat, especially, my feet just kind of like slide around a lot, which isn't a big deal obviously, but it is just nice having a little bit more grip, especially because my shoes are always worn down. Either way, I think it turned out pretty good. I gotta admit though, I am most happy about the trunk just because of that ugly ass stain right there, but this turned out really, really nice. Anyways, if you guys want some for your car, make sure you go check out SmartLiner USA. Use the link in my description right here and check them out. Tell them I sent you if you got any questions, but they have a ton of different cars that they support. So chances are, if you got a car, they probably support it. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.